Wonder what this is. Someone likes me. Looks like I beat the Porch Pirates. So about a month ago, a viewer named Sam contacted me and asked me when my next barn find Harley Sportster video was going to be up. Well, I explained to him it might be a little while since this coronavirus crap has completely killed my business, and the last thing I can afford to do right now is go out and buy Sportster parts and cleaners and whatnot to bring this baby back to life. Notice that missing carburetor. Wonder what's going on there. Anyhow, about a week later, he contacts me and he says he's got a surprise he wants to send me to help me with my work on the Sporty. So a couple of weeks go by and I pretty much forget all about it until today. And this happens. I get a knock on the door and I find this on my front porch. Thank you, FedEx, and thank you, Sam. So besides knowing that it has something to do with the Sportster, I have no idea what's inside this box. It feels pretty heavy. Maybe it's a carburetor. It doesn't really feel that heavy. But you never know. I'm kind of excited about this. Let's check out. Dear Trip, a friend of mine sold his Harley Sportster last year and had a few things left over he had forgotten about. I thought of you and your Sportster project, and we figured they might come in handy for your bike, so here they are. Who knows, maybe you could even do a video on installing them. Hope you're able to use them. If not, please pass them on to someone who can. Keep up the good work. Love your channel, Sam. Sam, this is really cool. I really don't know what to say except thank you. Now I'm going to find out what you sent. All right. Clean that up later. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. This is a front fork bag. It's made out of leather. Ah, Sam, this is amazing. These things are great. You can put tools, you can put water, put your cell phone, and they go right here on the front of the bike. Set that there. And oh my goodness, a windshield bag. And this is leather too. Man, Sam, I don't know who your friend is, but I'm glad he had these and I'm glad you sent them. I thought that felt a little heavy. I think I know what this is. Get that out of the way. Ah, yes, this is one of those Harley multi-tools. How cool is this? It's got the wrenches here. I believe it's got the Torx wrenches, standard screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and it's got the most commonly used Allen wrenches. Man, I've seen these for sale. These are like 50 bucks a piece, and wow, these are expensive, and these ain't cheap either. My goodness. Well, I gotta be honest. I've had this channel now for about a year and a half, and this is the most touched I've been. Thanks, Sam. I never expected something like this. Wow. Well, unfortunately, as you can tell, there is no room to mount a windshield bag on this Sporty. It's got the dual cluster up here, and the windshield's mounted very close, so it doesn't fit. And if I take the windshield off, well, guess what? Nothing to mount it to. But all is not lost, Sam, because it sure as hell will mount to the windshield of the Fat Bob. And we just simply take and strap this on. Make sure we don't get anything caught in there that shouldn't be in there. Get it cinched up tight. All attached to the Sporty and tightened up. Looks pretty good to me. After being holed up for a couple of months with this coronavirus scare, this was sure a pleasant surprise. And until next time, this is Trip saying, hang in there, everybody. Ride safe and ride often. All tightened up and looking great.